Hi, I'm Tiffany Springer. I am the chair of the School of Education and Human Development. I'm also the director of teacher education here at Monmouth College. We offer programming in educational studies, which allows students who do not want to pursue a path in licensure but want to work in their community spaces, such as areas in United Way, community foundations, and other programming involved in their community. It gives them a broad view of education as it relates to the communities they serve. We also offer elementary education, which is a certification in kindergarten through 6th grade, and we offer secondary education, grades 9 through 12, in the areas of English, math, science, social science, and health ed. Additionally, we offer pre-K through 12th grade programming in music, art, and physical education. And under the school, we also have psychology programs. We have biopsychology and psychology majors, and we also have coursework in sociology and anthropology. We hope you join us and check out Monmouth College.
Hi, I'm Joan Wirtz and I'm in psychology at Monmouth College. Something I want everybody to know about the biopsychology major is it is a great fit for students who are interested in health careers. Over the past couple of decades, it's been a really good fit and major for students who go into medicine, physician's assistant, chiropractic school, but especially for students who are interested in occupational therapy and nursing. It's been a wonderful preparation for students who are going into those careers.
I'm Professor Ryan Colclasure and I teach psychology. One of the things I want you to know about the psychology major is you have opportunities for experiential learning. You can do internships, you can travel abroad, you can work one-on-one with faculty on research, and you could be a mental health peer educator.
Hi, my name is Tammy LaPrada and I'm a professor of education. And one thing I want you to know about the educational studies major is that there are a lot of interesting and cool career paths for you, and I'm here to help you get interested in those.
Hi, I'm Erin Duggan and I'm a professor in education. And one thing I would like to share with you about the elementary education major is that you're going to have many opportunities to apply what you've been learning here at Monmouth College out in the field with K-5 students.